Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone.
Today we will be discussing a simple yet often overlooked trick, how to quickly jump to the last channel you are watching on YouTube TV. Have you ever been flipping through channels on YouTube TV and accidentally switched away from something you were watching? Frustrating, right? Well, there's a really easy way to get right back to that last channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the super simple shortcut to instantly return to the last channel you viewed on YouTube TV. It works on most devices, so you'll be able to use this trick whether you're watching on your smart TV, streaming device, or even your phone. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Fix Zone for more tips and tricks on all your favorite streaming services.
Ok, let's get started. Scène. Show YouTube TV interface. Ok, so here we are on the YouTube TV interface.
Let's say I'm watching ESPN.
Show ESPN channel.
And then I start browsing around and end up on, I don't know, HGTV.
Show HGTV channel.
Now, I want to go back to ESPN quickly. Instead of scrolling all the way back through the guide or searching for it, all I have to do is
Démonstrate action.
If using a remote, highlight the specific button press. If using a mobile app, show the tap.
Hit the back button on your remote.
That's it.
Show ESPN channel again.
You'll instantly be taken back to the last channel you were watching. It's that simple. This also works if you accidentally exit out of a channel entirely. This trick might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people don't know about it. It can save you a ton of time and frustration when you're channel surfing. Repeat demonstration briefly. Just to recap, watching one channel, switch to another, hit the back button, and boom. You're back to the previous channel. So that's it. A quick and easy way to jump to the last channel on YouTube TV. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like this video if it saved you some time, and subscribe to Fix Zone for more quick fixes and helpful tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any other YouTube TV questions, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.